Hi student, in today's session we will discuss about different types of organic reaction, and at first we will discuss addition reaction. When reactant molecule combines with the new atom or group of a reagent molecule without the removal of atom or group from the reactant molecule, the resultant product is known as addition product and the reaction is known as addition reaction. Addition reaction causes saturation of the product and it is classified into three different parts. The first one is electrophilic addition reaction, electrophilic addition reaction. The second one, nucleophilic addition reaction, and the third one, free radical addition reaction. So we can see that the addition reactions are of three different types: electrophilic, nucleophilic, and free radical addition reaction. At first, we will discuss about electrophilic addition reaction. The addition reaction which are taking place by the help of electrophiles are known as electrophilic addition reactions, and electrophiles are the electron deficient species. Mainly alkene and alkynes having tendency to show the electrophilic addition reaction. Let us start with an example. CH3CH double bond CH2 and it interacts with the HCl. Here we can see that the given alkene is propene and there is a double bond between these two carbon atoms, and this carbon consists of two hydrogen and this is consists of one hydrogen. Such type of alkenes are known as unsymmetrical alkene, and the reagent HCl, H consists of positive charge, Cl consists of negative charge, so it is unsymmetrical reagent. Now, unsymmetrical alkene reacts with an unsymmetrical reagent. Then, what we need to do whenever such condition is taking place, then it is important to note that positive part of the reagent is added to that side of the double bonded carbon atom which consists of maximum hydrogen, and negative part attached to that side of the double bonded carbon atom which consists of minimum hydrogen, as a result of which we have this product CH3 CHCl CH3, and its name is 2-chloropropane. Its name is 2-chloropropane, and such type of addition reaction is also known as Markovnikov's addition reaction. In short, it is represented by Ma. Now let us see how this reaction occurs. As we know that this reaction proceeds by the help of electrophiles, so the step 1 of the reaction can be like this: HCl breaks into its ion H plus and Cl minus, and thereafter propene interacts with the H plus ion. This part of the reaction is very important. You should remember that H plus is electron deficient and there is a double bond between these two carbon atoms. The pi electron is shifted to the electron deficient H plus. H plus can be added from both of the carbon atom and therefore its possible structure CH3, CH2, CH2 and last carbon atom acquire positive charge on it since it consists of 3 bonds and it is 1 degree carbocation. This is 1 degree carbocation since the carbon which consists of positive charge is joined with one adjacent carbon atom. And if H plus join this part of the double bonded carbon atom, then we get 2 degree carbocation. As we have read earlier that higher degree carbocations are stable, therefore we have to choose the second one and first one we cancelled out, and this is the 2 degree carbocation. It is also electron deficient, so it behaves like electrophile. And this step is a slow step, and finally this 2 degree carbocation interacts in the second step CH3 CH plus CH3, it is electron deficient. The Cl minus interact this carbocation part and the reaction occurs very readily and the resultant product will be CH3CH, Cl and CH3. Such type of reaction is known as electrophilic addition reaction, and this carbocation can be also written as isopropyl carbocation. Isopropyl carbocation. So, the electrophilic addition reactions are those which are carried out by the help of electrophile and mainly shown by the unsaturated compound, and after the reaction they form the saturated compound. Now we will discuss about another type of it, nucleophilic addition reaction. The addition reactions which are taking place by the help of nucleophiles are known as nucleophilic addition reaction, mainly shown by the carbonyl compound. Let's see an example of nucleophilic addition reaction. Carbonyl compound may be aldehyde or ketone, may be aldehyde or ketone, interacts with the hydrogen cyanide and results the formation of such type of compound. This is known as cyanohydrine, and the reaction occurs in presence of alkali. Now let us try to understand the mechanism of this reaction. At first, we need to take HO minus and it interacts with the HCN, interacts with the hydrogen, and this electron pair gets shifted on the carbon atom. Water is removing out and carbon acquire negative charge. This is cyanide ion, and this cyanide ion behaves like nucleophile. Now, in second stage, what we need to do, we will draw the structure of carbonyl compound and reacts with this nucleophile. Since oxygen is more electronegative, so it withdraw the 5 bonded electron towards itself, acquiring partial negative charge, and carbon acquire partial positive charge. Therefore, CN attached with the electron deficient carbon part, and such type of product will obtain. And finally, this is reacts with the water, HOH, O minus interacts with the hydrogen part, and it results the formation of OH and CN. This is known as cyanohydrine. And HO minus is regenerated. So we have discussed two most important types of addition reaction, one of which is electrophilic addition reaction and the other one is nucleophilic addition reaction. Now we will try to show the last type of addition reaction, and that is free radical addition reaction. Free radical addition reaction. By its name, it is quite clear the addition reactions which are taking place by the help of free radical are known as free radical addition reaction. To understand this type of reaction, let us take an example. CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is propene and it is unsymmetrical alkene. It interacts with the HBr in presence of peroxide. This is peroxide, and this reagent is also unsymmetrical because its positive or negative parts are different. In case of propene, the double bonded carbon atom consists of different numbers of hydrogen atoms. Therefore, it is unsymmetrical in nature. And when unsymmetrical alkene interacts with the HBr in presence of peroxide, reverse of Markovnich's addition is taking place. This is known as anti-Markovnikov's addition, which means positive part of the reagent is added to that side of the double bonded carbon atom which bears the minimum number of hydrogen atom, and negative part is attached to that side of the double bonded carbon atom which bears maximum number of hydrogen atom. So we have the product CH3 CH2 CH2 and Br. This is N propyl bromide. This is N propyl bromide, Br attached with the CH2, so its degree is 1 degree halide. It is 1 degree halide. Now this reaction is also known as Kharas peroxide effect. Kharas peroxide effect. Now the mechanism of this reaction takes place in 3 different steps. The step 1 is chain initiation step. Chain initiation step. This step involving the formation of free radical. So we have to use the peroxide by using heat. We are getting 2RO. R stands for alk and O stands for oxy. This is alkoxy free radical, and this alkoxy free radical interacts with the HBr. The shared electrons shifted on individual atoms singly. So RO interacts with the H, ROH plus Br free radical. We are getting Br free radical. Now the second step, chain propagation. This step involving interaction of the free radical with the reactant molecule. So let's see the chain propagation step. The reactant molecule is CH3CH double bond CH2, and this is Br free radical. There are two possibilities. There are two possibilities. Br can attach with the both double bonded carbon atom since its pi electron shifted in individual atom. So Br can be attached here or here. If we attach in the left side carbon atom, then we are getting 1 degree free radical. And if Br is attached with the carbon which bears maximum number of hydrogen atom, then we are getting 2 degree free radical. 2 degree free radical. And we have to always choose the higher degree of free radical which is highly stable. Which is highly stable. And finally, it interacts further. This is the 2 degree free radical. It interacts with the HBr, and this free radical shifted to this hydrogen free radical and results the formation of N-propyl bromide, and also release another Br free radical. This is N propyl bromide. Now the final step, chain termination. Chain termination, the step involving the stopping of chain reaction. This Br free radical interacts with each other and form Br2 molecule. So we have already discussed the different types of addition reaction. The first one is electrophilic addition, takes place by the help of electrophile. Then nucleophilic addition reaction takes place by the help of nucleophile. And finally free radical addition reaction, which takes place by the help of free radical. Hope you understand this session of organic chemistry. In the next segment, we will discuss about the substitution reaction and its different types.